2 ingredients and just 30 minutes of your time, and you'll have fresh homemade cottage cheese. Making it at home is actually easier than going to the store to buy it. In this video, I'll show you how to make it effortlessly, even if you've never tried before. The whole process comes down to 2 simple steps. First, we turn milk into yogurt. Then we turn that yogurt into cottage cheese. There's a 6 to 8 hour waiting period between these steps where you don't have to do anything. It's that simple, and it will turn out perfectly. Let's get started. To make about 1.3 pounds of homemade cottage cheese, you'll need 1 gallon of milk, 5 to 6 tablespoons of plain unsweetened yogurt. Pour the milk into a large pot. Heat it to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the yogurt and stir well. Cover the pot with a lid. It's very important to watch the temperature. If the milk gets too hot, the fermentation process won't work. If you don't have a thermometer, you can test it by touch. It should feel warm, not hot. Leave it at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours. Once the milk has turned into yogurt, place it on the stove and heat it until you see small bubbles forming. You'll notice the whey separating from the curds. The liquid will turn clear and the curds will start clumping together. That's when you need to lower the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Be careful not to boil it, as that can ruin the texture. Carefully transfer the mixture into a cheesecloth or a clean kitchen towel to strain out the whey. The longer you let it drain, the firmer and drier your cottage cheese will be. Don't throw the whey away. You can use it for other delicious recipes. If you're curious about how to use it, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to make another video. Store your finished cottage cheese in the fridge or freeze it for later. It's perfect for cheesecakes, muffins, or even pancake fillings. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep sharing useful and fun ideas with you. Wishing you lots of success in the kitchen. Your nutritionist, Karina.